All right, the pumpkin cream Dalgona. So here's a list of very simple ingredients that you will need. We are actually going to start with a regular whisk, and that is for your blender. So with the pumpkin puree, I've also started with just a little bit of sugar in my cup. We're going to use heavy cream and a separate creamer of your choosing. You're going to put all that in. And then what we are going to do is actually add pumpkin spice, which is really just nutmeg, allspice, and cinnamon. And I just really do it to taste. Put them all in. And then you're gonna give that a really nice blend. You're gonna start it on low and then go to medium. You really just wanna get it that nice, easy, frothy texture. If you want it to be more like whipped cream, just whip it for longer. All right, now we are going to get into the Dalgona. So we're actually going to use a instant espresso and sugar. And then I'm also adding the pumpkin spice to this. Lastly, we're going to add the hot water. The big thing with a Dalgona is that it's a meringue. And so what you want is you want equal parts of the instant coffee, the sugar, and then hot water, and you are going to blend that sucker on high for quite a few minutes. You're gonna whip it until it's got a nice whipped cream-like consistency. And I've got a little glass with some ice. I'm putting some iced coffee in there, and then I'm going to top it with my pumpkin cream mixture. And then at the very top, the whipped Dalgona. And then lastly, I top it again with the pumpkin spice just to be sassy. And that's it. Have a happy fall.